Hi， 欢迎来到5分钟中文，我是平，今天是星期三。昨天我们学习了车，各种各样的车。Today let's have a review. 车，火车，汽车，开，飞机，轮船，骑，上班，上学，自行车，坐。Okay, let's say 坐 is a very important. After 坐 you can put any transportation. Let's say 坐火车，坐汽车，开车。Oh, sorry, that's not transportation. 坐飞机，坐轮船。But 骑。You cannot say 骑火车，骑汽车，骑飞机，No, you cannot right there. You can say 骑自行车，You can also say 骑摩托车。Guess what is 摩托車 Motorcycle, 骑摩托車。骑馬 Ride horses. Okay, now 5 sentences for you to listen. They are very short, but it's a little bit hard. Okay, sentence number 1. 中国有很多火车。Sentence number 2. 我每天骑自行车上班。Sentence number 3. 你会开飞机吗？ Sentence number 4. 我坐飞机去中国。Sentence number 5. 我爸爸是开火车的。Okay, that is all the homework for you this week. Tomorrow we will learning how to ride a车. It's a very funny way to ride a车. It's so easy for you to remember. If you are interested in that, follow us tomorrow. See you tomorrow. 再见. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and comment if you really enjoyed. Also, if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe to us. If you are interested in donating to help us, please check the links below. Thank you. Bye.